everyone. This is group number 2. We have prepared an enactment which connects to some real life examples which will eventually help you to understand the qualities of a good speaker. Here we begin. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed gathering, today we convene to reaffirm the indispensable imperative of gender parity. The struggle for women's rights has been a protracted one, replete with the formidable obstacles and entrenched patriarchal.
अबे यार ये क्या बोल रही है यार, इससे तो अच्छा अपन पिक्चर चले जाते यार। चले गए यार, बकवास कर रही है।
Guys, it will be a fun in a little moment. Please have a seat. We have some important points about women's rights.
अरे आजा, तो 2 मिनट देखते हैं चलेंगे।
Let me simplify it for you. Women's rights are a fundamental aspect of human rights, focusing on promoting equality, justice, and empowerment for women. Some key areas are equality, reproductive rights, safety and protection for women, and political participation as well as economic empowerment.
अच्छा बोलिए यार, समझ में आ गया। बढ़िया ना।
In the first scene, we had displayed the importance of no language barrier. As at the beginning, I was using some heavy phrases. I had to connect with the audience, which I failed to do. So the other speaker showed that how important it is to connect with the audience in a language which they understand and connect with. Now we begin with scene 2.
Good morning everyone, I am Rajat and I am here to talk about climate change. In last days, last day I visit UN conference and in that meeting.
So you can see he was fumbling, he had no confidence, his body posture was he had rounded shoulders. What you have to do, you have to put your shoulders like this. You have to show confidence through your body language. So first thing is this. Second thing, he was continuously playing with his hands. You should not do that. If you want to use your hands, you can use this like this. You can do this thing with your hand. Don't use this putting in your pocket, using your hanky. So I am rephrasing his statements. It would be like, hello friends, I am Palak Agarwal. We are here to discuss about the topic climate change. I am working with the United Nations and recently we have attended the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Also you see, उसने UN this is important that we have attended such an important organization, but he was not focusing on that thing. So you have to pitch your voice on the important words as well. So we were here to show the confidence, body language and the pitch.
Here we begin with scene 3.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, ऐसी मशीन बनाऊंगा, यहाँ से आलू डालेंगे, यहाँ से सोना निकलेगा। हमारे जो अशोक गहलोत जी हैं, उन्होंने कुंभकर्ण लिफ्ट योजना बनाई। कौन सी? कुंभकर्ण नहीं, कुंभराम लिफ्ट योजना। हमारे जो ये मोदी जी हैं, ये हमसे आंख में आंख नहीं डाल पाते हैं। ऐसे हैं हमारे मोदी जी, ये बाहर जाते हैं नहीं, बाहर नहीं जाते। ओबामा जी, ट्रम्प जी, इनसे मिलके आ जाते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, in order to gain trust of the audience, and we need to be authenticate and present the facts. The facts should be presented as follows. Like if I am talking about GDP, then the GDP, the growth rate to be 7% for the current fiscal year ending 31st March 2025. And now my other data is our GDP growth rate is 8.2% in financial year 2023 and 7% in financial year 2024. And if I talk about GDP by sector wise, then in agriculture sector it is just about 18.4%, in industry it is just about 28.3%, and in services 53.3%. So this is a true way to represent our facts.
Guys, in this scene we saw that the previous leader talked about irrelevant things which did not connect with the audience. The things which he spoke, which the previous leader spoke, were not based on facts and circumstances. while otherwise the second leader, as we had seen, a good speaker needs to be authenticate. He needs to present facts and circumstances in order to gain the audience trust. Here we begin with scene 4.
So the scene starts with I giving a speech on cardiovascular disease. Okay. So here I speak on cardiovascular disease. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have one question.
Yes, please.
What are some primary risk factors for cardiovascular disease?
Good question. You are a very good person. But your question hurt me here. I think I have some cardiovascular. I'm sorry.
आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिजीज में?
What are some primary risk factors for cardiovascular disease?
The primary risk factor of cardiovascular disease is high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, diabetes, physical inactivity. Thank you.
Guys, in this scene we saw that the speaker who was answering the question did not have the complete knowledge of the topic. So in order to be a good public speaker, one should have prior knowledge of the topic which he or she will address the public in the future. So I'll summarize all the 4 points presented by Group 2. I am Priya Dhandia. The 4 points which are group presented are as follows. 1. A good listener should be empathetic and have courtesy towards the audience. Secondly, confidence, body gesture and voice modulation matters the most to connect with the audience, and specifically eye contact, because actions speak louder than words. Apart from that, the content should provide clarity and it should be authenticated based on facts and circumstances. Apart from that, one should have prior knowledge of the topic which he or she will address the public in the future. Thank you.